Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, after so many days, we are once again meeting together for this class, and I heartily welcome all of you to participate and take part in this class. We already have finished this subject on pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. Although we have finished it already in our live class, however, many of you asked for the clearance of this concept, and therefore I brought this video once again for you. So let us learn this properly, and I hope I will able to make you understand the concept of the pronouns. Okay. So, as we have studied earlier in our class, pronoun is a word which replaces the noun. So, this is here. You can see I have written here on the top nominative, but you need not remember all this. You just see it. This is okay. So, nominative and accusative. See the pronouns. These are the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are the pronouns, and this you can see the right side, me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. Both are pronouns. This also pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. This also is pronoun. And me, us, you, him, her, it, them. This also is. These also are pronouns. But these are called nominative pronouns, and these are called accusative pronouns. Although this is not there in your book, what pronoun they are called, but you can still learn it. Okay, this is in nominative case. I, we, you. Okay, all these are actually personal pronouns. All right, these are personal pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. All these are personal pronouns. But these personal pronouns are divided into two. This is in nominative case, and right side me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So these are in accusative case. It means that these you see the left side, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These pronouns are used as subjects. Okay, they perform the action, they do the action. Okay, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All these pronouns, they are used as subject, they perform the action. And right side what you see, the accusative case, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are in accusative case, and they are not used as subject, rather they are used as an receiving person, like me, us, you, him, her, it, them. And action is acted upon them. In our next slide, I will show you through an example. Through examples, I will show you how they are used. Okay, they receive the action. They do not do the. Okay, this accusative case, they receive the action. Right? They do not act the action. Okay, like they receive. Like he gave me. Okay, he gave me. The action is done upon me. So this case, accusative case, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. All these are the conversion form of the nominative case. Like from I it has become me, from we it has become us, from you it has become you, from he, him, from she, her, from it, and from they, them. Okay, in the next slide I will show you through the example. Okay, see here now. The words me, us, you, him, her, it, them, these are also pronouns. Okay, remember. The words me, us, you, him, her, it, them. What we saw in the previous slide. Me, us, you, him, her, them. They are also pronouns. They are accusative case. Okay. So remember these two rules here. Number one, they show us who receives the action. Okay, these pronouns, see, me, us, you, him, her, it, them, they show us who receives the action. As I told you earlier, an action is performed or an action is done on these pronouns. They are the accusative pronouns. So on these, they tell us here, These pronouns tell us who receives the action. Number 2, remember, they come after the action word. Who come after the action word? These pronouns, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These pronouns come, okay, after the action word. What is the action word? Action word is the verb. So remember, these pronouns, accusative case pronouns, me, us, you, him, her, it, them, these pronouns come after the action word. Look at the example now. Example 1, he gave me a banana. Okay, he gave me a banana. Gave is the action word and me is the pronoun. So remember, always after the action word the pronoun me will come. Okay, here it is. So me is the accusative pronoun which is coming after the action word, and me is the receiving person. He gave me. Who gave me? He gave. After the action word coming me, and therefore it is receiving the action. On me the action is performed. Okay, next. The teacher scolded us. See, the action word here scolded, and us pronoun. Scolded is the action word and us is the pronoun. So then remember, this accusative case pronoun us is coming after the action word. Next, he slapped you. The action word here is slapped. So after the action word here pronoun. Rima asked him a question. So asked is the action word or verb, and him is the pronoun. Okay, Rima asked him a question. Next, I saw her in the school. Okay, I saw her in the school. So is the verb and her is the pronoun. Next, they threw it. Threw is the action word or verb and it is the pronoun in the dustbin. Similarly, my father told them. Okay, my father told them to go. Told is the action word or the verb and them is the pronoun. Okay, when an action when an action is performed on somebody, then instead of that noun, if we are using the pronoun, then this accusative case pronoun will be used, like me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So dear children, this way you can use the pronoun personal pronouns in accusative case: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Thank you so much. Have a good day.